fellow crafters, and welcome to another video. I am Debbie. Today I have my completed Advent canvas, which is going to function as an Advent calendar for next year. I do plan on having this framed, and then I will pull it out next year whenever we get our tree and all of our other Christmas goodies out. But this is a work of every day in December from the 1st until the 25th. Merry Christmas to those of you that celebrate, and happy holidays to those of you that celebrate anything else. This turned out super cute. I am really pleased with this canvas. This is the first time that I have ever ordered anything from Diamond Art Studio UK. And it actually came from Add More Zest. They worked in conjunction with Diamond Art Studio to have this canvas done for them. And I will definitely plan on looking out next year and seeing what they have to offer for Advent. And I can't really decide which one is my favorite of all of the days. I still love the pink one. It's one of my favorites. But I really like the Christmas tree. I love how that one has turned out. And then also this little gingerbread. You can't beat that one. But every one of these are super cute. And then at the end, I will pan in so you can actually take a closer look. But this turned out just really good. It had 17 colors in it. And if you have not checked out Add More Zest, Rebecca and her team do a really good job. Be sure to check them out. I did use the tray from Rebecca. I had a blue one as well as a yellow one. And let me show you the drills. I have drills left over, which is very nice. I will be kitting down sometime next week, so be on the lookout for that video. But I have a lot of drills left. These are rounds. They are very good drills, so I will definitely save those. And look at the 5200. I had a full container left. I had 2 containers of these. I only used 1 container of it. There was also a B5200 as well. And that one was, let's see, this one. So I have quite a few of ABs. There's one little straggler in there. I have quite a few of these left over. So that's going to be really nice. This worked up really quickly for each section. I was able to actually multi-place on a lot of these. I do need to straighten up a couple of the ones on the ends, but I'll just use my straightener, get that straightened out. But I can't say anything negative about this kit. The only thing that I do have on this kit that I think could have been a little better was the 310s. And the 310s were really strange. I do have a lot left over. I doubt that I will save these. There were a mixture of rounds and squares that were in these ABs. And I don't know why, or not ABs, sorry, the 310s. I'm not sure why there were so many squares that was in that one when it's a round kit. It was just mixed in. So I had to go through on the 310s and separate those. And they weren't as good of quality as any of the other colors were, but otherwise everything was perfect. I'm going to pan in a little bit for you to see better. I'm also going to go over each section for you, and that will be also with some Christmas music. If you miss the playlist, I will have that at the top of the eye on the right side there, and you can go through all of these squares are underneath the playlist, as well as kitting up, and then the unboxing and also kitting down will be there whenever I get to that one. I hope that you enjoyed this playlist and hope that you enjoyed seeing a video every day. And again, please check out Add More Zest. They have trays, they have pins, they have other items. I have purchased quite a bit from them, and everything that I have purchased I really do like and enjoy. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy diamond painting.